Welcome back to AI Powered. Are you ready to explore the advancements in AI? Today, we'll examine the recent updates in AI language models. We'll compare the new 3.5 Sonnet to its earlier version, investigate the features of the 3.5 Haiku, and get a glimpse of the Gemini 1.5. Plus, we'll discuss what's next for Anthropic. Let's get started. To start, let's discuss the 3.5 Sonnet upgrade. This upgrade brings several improvements over the previous version. The new Sonnet claims improved processing speed, better contextual understanding, and more accurate language generation. Users will notice a significant boost in performance, making it a powerful tool for various applications. In comparison with 3.5 Haiku, this model is designed to deliver concise and poetic responses, perfect for creative writing and artistic projects. The Haiku version excels in generating short, impactful pieces of text that capture the essence of the input. It's a unique addition to the GPT family, offering a fresh perspective on AI-generated content. While Gemini 1.5 is a version that combines sophisticated features from both the Sonnet and GPT-4 models, it offers a flexible tool suitable for many different purposes. Whether you're looking for detailed analysis or creative inspiration, the Gemini 1.5 has got you covered. In comparison to 3.5 Haiku and Gemini, the upgrade of Sonnet improved processing speed of the original 3.5 Sonnet, so now it allows it to manage more complex inquiries at a quicker rate than previously. This is especially beneficial for users that demand immediate responses, like customer service chatbots or engaging educational resources. The improved contextual understanding allows the Sonnet to maintain consistency over longer conversations, making it more reliable for extended interactions. The 3.5 Haiku, on the other hand, is all about creativity. Its ability to generate poetic and concise responses makes it ideal for creative writing, marketing copy, and even social media posts. Imagine having an AI that can craft beautiful haikus or short stories on demand. This model is ideal for those seeking to infuse a sense of creativity into their content. Gemini 1.5 merges the strengths of both sides. It leverages the speed and contextual understanding of the Sonnet with the creative flair of the Haiku. This makes it an exceptionally flexible tool, able to tackle various tasks, from technical documentation to imaginative projects. Whether you're composing an in-depth report or generating ideas for a story, Gemini 1.5 possesses the functionality to support you. Let's explore some real-world use cases for these models. For instance, the 3.5 Sonnet can be used in customer service to provide quick and accurate responses to customer inquiries. Its improved contextual understanding ensures that it can handle follow-up questions seamlessly, providing a better customer experience. In education, the Sonnet can assist in creating interactive learning modules that adapt to the student's progress, offering personalized feedback and support. The 3.5 Haiku shines in creative applications. Authors can utilize it to brainstorm concepts, compose poetry, or even develop short narratives. Marketing groups can capitalize on its capacity to produce engaging and effective content for ads and social media updates. The Haiku's unique style adds a creative touch that sets content apart from the competition. Gemini 1.5 is perfect for businesses that need a versatile AI tool. It can handle everything from drafting detailed reports to generating creative content for marketing campaigns. Its versatility in transitioning between both technical and creative responsibilities renders it a crucial resource for any organization aiming to enhance their content development workflow. Before we continue, let us know if you like the content, giving a like or subscribing, and also tap the bell icon to stay updated on the newest developments in AI technology. Now, let's delve into the specifics of the upgraded Claude 3.5 Sonnet. This model shows wide-ranging improvements on industry benchmarks, with particularly strong gains in agentic coding and tool use tasks. For example, it improves performance on the SWE bench, verified from 33.4% to 49%, scoring higher than all publicly available models, including reasoning models like OpenAI o1 Preview and specialized systems designed for agentic coding. It also improves performance on the TAU bench, an agentic tool use task, from 62.6% to 69.2% in the retail domain, and from 36% to 46% in the more challenging airline domain. The new Claude 3.5 Sonnet offers these advancements at the same price and speed as its predecessor. Feedback from early adopters highlights the model's potential. GitLab observed enhanced reasoning capabilities, up to 10% improvement across tasks, while the browser company found it to be superior for automating web-based workflows compared to other models they tested. Additionally, Anthropic collaborated with the US and UK AI safety institutes to assess risks and confirm the model meets ASL2 safety standards under their responsible scaling policy. Diving even more into Claude 3.5 Haiku. This model is the next generation of Claude's fastest model. For a similar speed to Claude 3 Haiku, Claude 3.5 Haiku improves across every skill set and surpasses even Claude 3 Opus, the largest model in the previous generation, on many intelligence benchmarks. Claude 3.5 Haiku is particularly strong on coding tasks. For example, it scores 40.6% on SWE Bench Verified, outperforming many agents using publicly available state-of-the-art models, including the original Claude 3.5 Sonnet and GPT-4o. With low latency, improved instruction following, and more accurate tool use, Claude 3.5 Haiku is well suited for user-facing products, specialized sub-agent tasks, and generating personalized experiences from huge volumes of data, like purchase history, pricing, or inventory records. Claude 3.5 Haiku will be available later this month across the first-party API from Claude, Amazon Bedrock, and Google Cloud's Vertex AI, initially as a text-only model and with image input to follow. Moving on, Anthropic has unveiled an innovative feature currently in public beta: computer use. This groundbreaking capability enables developers to direct AI to interact with computers in ways similar to humans, navigating screens, moving cursors, clicking buttons, and typing text. Claude 3.5 Sonnet Upgrade is the first AI model to offer this functionality in public beta. While still experimental and prone to occasional errors, this release provides developers with early access to test and refine the feature, with significant improvements anticipated over time. Major companies like Asana, Canva, Cognition, DoorDash, Replit, and the Browser Company are already exploring the potential of computer use. This capability allows AI to perform tasks involving dozens or even hundreds of steps to achieve complex outcomes. For instance, Replit is leveraging Claude 3.5 Sonnet's computer use and UI navigation capabilities to create a feature for their Replit agent product that evaluates applications during the development process. The upgraded Claude 3.5 Sonnet is available to all users. Developers can now integrate and experiment with the computer use beta through the Anthropic API, Amazon Bedrock, and Google Cloud's Vertex AI. At the same time, Anthropic is introducing a fundamentally new approach with computer use. Rather than creating specialized tools for individual tasks, the focus is on teaching Claude general computer skills. This capability allows the AI to interact with a broad range of standard tools and software commonly used by people. Developers can use this emerging capability to automate repetitive processes, build and test software, and conduct open-ended tasks like research. To enable these general skills, Anthropic has developed an API that allows Claude to perceive and interact with computer interfaces. This API can be integrated by developers to translate user instructions, such as use data from my computer and online to fill out this form, into actionable computer commands. For example, Claude can check a spreadsheet, move the cursor to open a web browser, navigate to relevant web pages, and fill out a form with gathered data. In evaluations conducted by OS World, a platform that assesses AI models' ability to use computers like humans, Claude 3.5 Sonnet demonstrated impressive performance. It scored 14.9% in the screenshot-only category, significantly surpassing the next best AI system score of 7.8%. When given additional steps to complete tasks, Claude's score increased to 22%, showcasing its potential in handling complex processes effectively. Significant advancements in this capability are expected in the coming months. The early launch aims to gather valuable feedback from developers, helping to address potential issues and refine the system for practical, real-world applications. To sum it all up, we've seen a huge leap in AI language models, with the Claude 3.5 Sonnet and Haiku pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Whether you're a developer looking for faster, more efficient tools, or a creative looking for unique artistic content, these models are changing the game. Stay tuned for more updates and remember to subscribe to the channel for all the latest in AI advancements. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your thoughts on these new AI models. Until next time, keep learning from our latest videos.